Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited because we are unboxing the HiBrew H10B espresso machine. Alright, let's see what's inside this box. One thing I love about this machine is that the manual comes in 11 languages. It comes with a warranty and a nice little thank you card. First off, we got the main unit right here. It's pretty sleek and compact, which I love because it won't take up too much space on your counter. So inside the box, you will also find a 51mm portafilter along with a double and single coffee filter, a measuring spoon, and a tamper. Everything you need to get started right out of the box. Big thanks to HiBrew for sending me this espresso machine as part of our collaboration. I've been loving it so far and I'm excited to show you all how it works. It also includes a drip tray and a drip tray cover, which makes cleanup super easy. The water tank has a generous capacity of 1.3 liters. Setting it up seems pretty straightforward. You just attach the portafilter, fill the water reservoir, and you're good to go. Alright, let's power it on and see how it sounds. It's got a nice, quiet startup. You can also set the coffee temperature from cold brew to hot brew. You can also set the coffee pre-brew time for single and double shots. You can also set the coffee volume, in this case for the single shot, and also for the double shot. You can also set the steam temperature from 125 to 150 degrees Celsius. Another cool feature is that you can use a steam knob to make hot water. It has 20 bar pressure pump, which is perfect for getting that rich, full espresso shot. You've got your steam one here for frothing milk. Okay, to really test out the machine, I'm going to prepare a delicious latte. Let's see how it handles the espresso shot and milk frothing. Enjoy. Wow, the espresso shot comes out so creamy. Look at that beautiful cream on top. Now, let's see how the milk textures and how the latte art turns out. Okay, coffee lovers, so there you have it. The HiBrew H10B espresso machine. If you are serious about getting a cafe quality espresso right in your kitchen, this could be the perfect fit. Let's see how the latte art turns out. Yeah, it makes pretty great latte art. The milk texture was great. Let me know in the comments if you have tried the HiBrew H10B or if you are thinking about getting one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more coffee content like this. See ya, coffee lovers!